Hello everyone, welcome to Random Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 best horror movies that take place on planes, trains, and other vehicles. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Maybe that's why transport makes such a great setting for horror films. They have a natural claustrophobic effect to them, and tensions are already high. All a filmmaker needs to do is add a little disaster to that mix. Here are 5 great horror movies that take place on planes, trains, and automobiles. Christine. John Carpenter's horror classic Christine is based on the Stephen King novel of the same name. When nerdy student Arnie discovers an old 1958 Plymouth Fury for sale, he jumps on the opportunity. It turns out that his new car Christine isn't exactly a standard model. The car has a mind of its own and will kill anyone who threatens her and Arnie. As the car gets worse, so does Arnie's personality. Train to Busan. Shortly before a train is set to depart Seoul Station in Korea, a zombie pandemic breaks out. After the train departs, it becomes obvious that one has made it into the train. One by one, passengers are attacked, turning into zombies themselves. The movie chose the fast zombie approach and combined that with the confined space of a moving train. The film received rare reviews and has gone on to become one of the highest grossing Korean films ever made. Howl. An overnight train departs London headed for Eastbourne just as a full moon begins to rise in the night sky. About an hour into the journey, the train is deep in the woods of the English countryside. Suddenly, a deer jumps on to the tracks, colliding with the train. The conductor has to step outside to make sure there is no damage. That's when he discovers that something is lurking in the woods. Within the train in a dead zone, with something outside, the passengers are forced to take refuge inside the train until help can arrive. Midnight Meat Train. Based on one of Clive Barker's many short stories, the film centers around numerous murders that take place late at night on the subway. A photographer becomes obsessed with capturing real and raw moments and begins following the man he believes to be responsible for the killings. The movie starred Bradley Cooper, Leslie Bibb, and Brooke Shields and had a surprise ending that audience didn't see coming. Despite flying under the radar upon release, the movie has become a cult classic.
Somewhere just to go for the ride.
Jeepers and Creepers 2. After a school bus carrying football players and cheerleaders breaks down in the middle of a countryside, the coaches and the bus driver head out looking for help. But after finding a homemade dagger made of bone lodged in the field, it becomes apparent that the bus didn't break down but was sabotaged. Like the first movie, the creeper begins selecting his victims by smelling their fear, and chaos ensues. With the bus being the only form of shelter, the kids must band together to fight off the bloodthirsty monster.
Been able to kill it.